In this video, we will demonstrate how to merge PDF files. We have an assembly open in SOLIDWORKS. Let's start the print and convert feature. Go to Batch Conversion, and then select the Merge PDF Conversion rule. Before running the conversion rule, let's take a look at how it is configured. Right-click on Merge PDF and select Advanced Edit. In the conversion options, make sure the Merge PDF Documents option is selected. Open the Drawing tab, where we define the conditions for choosing drawing sheets. For instance, you can choose not to include DXF sheets. Open Output Directory after the conversion operation is completed is also selected. We see a filter icon in front of this conversion rule, which means it has a filter defined. Filters can simplify document selection in batch operations. Click the Filter button. When the drawing is a part drawing, it will be selected by this filter. From the Select Documents to Process list, we can see that assembly drawings are not selected, only part drawings, but not DXF sheets, are selected. Everything is set. Let's run the conversion task. The Merge PDF conversion task is running. It will convert all the drawings of this assembly into PDF format and merge them into a single PDF file. After the conversion process is complete, the PDF files folder will open automatically. You'll find a single PDF file containing all the drawings. Thank you for watching.